After flying a long distance, a thirsty crow wandered the forest searching for water. Finally, he saw a pot half filled with water. He tried to drink from it, but his beak wasn't long enough to reach the water inside. He then saw pebbles on the ground, and one by one, he put them in the pot until the water rose to the brim. The crow then hastily drank from it and quenched his thirst. Moral of the story: if there's a will, there's a way. Every problem has a solution if we look hard and don't give up.
AI created this story video totally free. And yes, they are monetizable on YouTube. To create this, we need a story, images of all the scenes, then motion videos of those images, story narration voiceover, and some editing. Before starting, I have something for you. If you don't want to complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time on YouTube to start earning, I can give you pre-monetized YouTube accounts. And if you already have a channel, we can monetize it too, organically. Now let's start the tutorial. For story, you can ask ChatGPT to write a short kid story for you, but I don't prefer it. I prefer human-written stories. Open any browser and search for short kid story. Open any website and search for a story. For this tutorial, we'll use this thirsty crow story. Copy the story with its moral. Then open ChatGPT and paste the story. Ask him to separate all the scene of the story, separate even the smallest scene. Now all the scenes of the story are separated. Then ask him to give you the detailed prompt of each scene for AI video generation. And don't forget this, you need to mention video generation, so you can get best prompts. Here we have all the prompts. For images, I am using Microsoft Designer. Click on Create, then on Images. Here we can generate amazing images for free. Go to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt. In description, paste the prompt, and make sure to mention this, 3D animation in Disney Pixar. It is extremely necessary to put this in the end of the prompt every time. At size, choose wide, and hit generate. Here 4 images are generated. In this way, copy the second prompt, and generate the images. Then download the image which suits best. There is an issue that I faced is that, when I copied this 4th prompt, and then generated it in the same way. But this time, the background is changed. In previous images, the background was greenery, so we need to mention this also. Now images have green background. Here I have generated all the images. For video generation, I am using Luma's Dream Machine. Open the Luma's website. Click on this small image button to upload the image. After the image is uploaded, go to ChatGPT and copy its prompt. Then paste the prompt also. Make sure that the prompt should be of the uploaded image. It will give a clear instruction to AI. And hit generate. Here the video is ready, and be honest, it's really amazing. In this way, generate other videos. Here all the videos are ready. For voiceover, go to ChatGPT and copy the story narration. For voiceover, I am using Clipchamp. Click on Create New Video, then on Record and Create, and then Text to Speech. Choose video's language, then choose a voice, and hit Save. The audio is added to the timeline.
After flying a long distance, a thirsty crow wandered the forest searching for water. Finally, he saw a pot half filled with water.
Simply export the video. Now everything is ready, we just need to combine them. For editing, I am using CapCut. Import all the video clips. Then click on Sort, choose Time Created, and then Latest to Earliest. Now all the videos are in sequence. Drag the video to timeline one by one, and in sequence. After that, import the voiceover file. Right-click, and extract audio. Then adjust the video clips according to the video files. Now the video is almost ready. Add transitions between scenes, if necessary. Now, click on Captions, and hit Generate. Go to Templates and select a best one. Reduce font size, so it don't interrupt the visuals. Go to Audio, and search for Kid Story. Add audio to the timeline. Decrease its volume to -20 dB. Our video is ready, simply export it. If you want to make money on YouTube from day one, go to description and get a pre-monetized account now.
After flying a long distance, a thirsty crow wandered the forest searching for water. Finally, he saw a pot half filled with water. He tried to drink from it, but his beak wasn't long enough to reach the water inside. He then saw pebbles on the ground, and one by one, he put them in the pot until the water rose to the brim. The crow then hastily drank from it and quenched his thirst. Moral of the story: if there's a will, there's a way. Every problem has a solution if we look hard and don't give up.